You use ChatGPT every single day. But if an interviewer asks you, "What's an AI agent?" could you answer? Here's the uncomfortable part: ChatGPT, the way you use it, is not an agent, and the actual difference fits in one sentence. By the end of this video, you'll be able to explain agents the way companies actually build them, the definition, the four components, and the loop. And I'll trace a real agent fixing a real bug step by step so you can see the loop happen. That trace is exactly the answer that works in an interview. Here it is: a chatbot answers, an agent acts. When you type into a plain LM chat, it's text in, text out. The model can't touch anything. It can't open your files, can't run your code, can't check if what it told you is even true. It's like a brilliant professor locked in a room with no computer. Incredible answers, zero actions. An agent is different. An agent is that same model given two things: tools and a loop. Now it's not a professor in a locked room. It's an intern with a laptop and permissions, less magic, but it can actually open the code base, run things, watch them fail, and try again. Why should you care? Because agentic is in every job description right now, and most candidates can't get past the buzzword. Every agent, every single one, has four parts: the model, the reasoning engine, same LLM you already use, tools, the ability to act, read files, run code, call APIs, search, memory, the context of the task so far, what it tried, what failed, and a stopping condition, how it knows it's done. Notice what's not on the list: a special agent model. There isn't one. The agent behavior comes from the scaffolding around the model, not from a different kind of AI. That's misconception number one, and interviewers love testing it. Here's the detail that separates you from everyone else who watched a hype video. The model never executes anything itself. It outputs a structured request, a function name, and arguments, basically JSON. The program around the model executes that request and feeds the result back in as text. That's the whole trick. The model writes something like run tests, the harness runs the tests, the model reads the output. Now watch the loop happen. The task: fix the failing test in my project. Step 1: the agent reads the test file. Tool call, file read. It observes the code. Step 2: it runs the test. Tool call, shell. It observes the actual error, not a guess, the real stack trace. Step 3: it reasons about the error and edits the source file. Tool call, file edit. Step 4: it runs the test again. Still failing, it loops. New hypothesis, new edit. Passing, stopping condition met. It reports done. Every arrow you just saw is one iteration. Reason, act through a tool, observe the result, decide what's next. Compare the chatbot on the same task. It can only describe what might be wrong. It never sees your actual error. The agent's superpower isn't intelligence, it's feedback. That loop with feedback is exactly how real products work. Coding agents like Claude Code edit files, run your tests, and fix their own errors. Support agents look up your order and issue the refund through an API. Same pattern everywhere. Three traps. 1. Calling everything an agent. If the steps are fixed in code, a pipeline the LM just fills in. That's a workflow, not an agent. An agent chooses its own next step. Interviewers respect this distinction. 2. Thinking more autonomy is always better. Real production systems often prefer boring, predictable workflows. Agents earn their complexity only on open ended tasks. Saying that in an interview signals actual engineering judgment. 3. For when you build one, forgetting the stopping condition and error handling. An agent without them loops forever, or acts confidently on garbage output. So, the interview answer in 3 sentences: an AI agent is an LLM running in a loop with access to tools. It reasons, acts, observes the result, and repeats until a stopping condition is met. The difference from a chatbot isn't the model, it's the scaffolding, tools plus a feedback loop. And when the steps are predefined, that's a workflow, not an agent. Say that, then trace the failing test example, and you're ahead of 90% of the room. Next step for you: don't just memorize this. Build the smallest possible agent. One model, one tool, one loop. Let me know in the comments which topic you want me to cover next. See you in the next one.